Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky.
Philosophy of colors in our lives. Talking about colors is a multifaceted topic, as some view them as coloring, drawing, decorating, fashion, or other fields. But have we ever asked ourselves, do colors have an effect on our bodies? Is it reasonable to treat ourselves with color? Why do I like this color and not like the other? And many, many more questions that are on our minds.
The world is more than black and white. Seeing everything in color helps you raise my spirit and find my happy. Life is meant to be lived in color.
Colors are like melodies that raise the spirit, nourish the nerves and relax the feeling. Colors have a great role in medicine, art and philosophy, and their impact on the mind and soul is one of the important factors in our artistic and social life. Among the colors that bring calm and comfort to the soul, the blue of the sky and the sea and the green of herbs, plants and trees suggest comfort and calm.
Color is a power which directly influences the soul.
Colors are one of God's creatures that He has mocked for us. Their role is not only limited to psychological entertainment, and the people that colors give to the human soul, but the matter is much more than that. Modern studies have proven that colors have an effect on human cells, so God Almighty created the sky with this color, and made the flowers have specific colors, and the trees in green. Effect on human cells, nervous system and psychological state. There is a difference between the view of energy scientists for each color, and the view of psychologists. Life is a train of moods like a string of beads. And as we pass through them, they prove to be many-colored lenses, which paint the world their own hue. And each shows only what lies in its focus. Colors are a world of magic and beauty. Without colors, the world seems dull, because colors mean life. Psychological studies related to colors have proven that colors have a direct impact on the psyche of a person and his general mood. It is based on scientific foundations, where some colors have a positive effect, and others have a negative effect. Each person has a certain color that he prefers over others. For example, some are comfortable wearing a certain color and not others. And prefer the color of painting walls in a certain color without the other. And the colors carry many connotations and symbols that cannot be bypassed. A symbol of love, it is worth noting that the significance of the color differs from the effect it has.